Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining us today. We've got another great set of home tours for you today. We're in a brand new Toll Brothers community. We're gonna look at two different two-story homes. We've already modeled the single-story home, so if you have any questions, you'd like a single-story Toll Brothers home, let me know. Check out our channel today. We're gonna check out the Rubino and the Vanto. I believe I pronounced those both right. So one's about 3,500 square foot, one's 3,900 square foot. And depending on when you see this video and contact me currently today, oh, little thing just fell, it's okay, we roll live. You get about $25,000 in incentives if you go through the Toll Brothers lender. You can apply that towards closing costs, interest rate buy downs, design studio upgrades, whatnot. They have a couple of quick move-in special lots, homes that are existing being built, and we're looking at about a 5.5% interest rate on those in addition to the incentive. So give me a call if you're looking today or if you're looking in the future. Let's build something. This community will have a community pool with it. It'll be gated, and yeah, let's go check out these homes. All right, everyone, thanks for sticking with us here. We're looking at the Vanto, 3,900 square foot, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathroom. Pricing on this is mid 700s to upper 700s, but we cap it about 770. So really cool house. This is the Spanish contemporary elevation on the front. So if you don't know, when you hear elevation on a house, it means how the front of the house is designed, some of the materials, the look, and whatnot. So let's go into this multi-gen home. All right, so we come right into the front door, and it's got this great open air area that leads up into the loft, a little catwalk into some of the bedroom areas. And we're gonna pan right over here. We're gonna take a look at the multi-gen suite first. But first, here we have the half bath for people to use when they come over. And then here we have the multi-gen suite. So you come into the bedroom first, and we'll go straight through it. Into its little living room area. Little kitchenette, it's got a little fridge, got a sink over there, a little couch. And this would be the private entrance from outside right there. Over here is the bathroom for the multi-gen suite. So this one has a walk-in shower. Pretty standard, right? All right, let's pop out into the rest. Hey folks, how you doing?
Hey there.
I just met these wonderful, what'd you think of the home? You love it?
The house is beautiful.
Is it? All right.
My next home.
All right, I hope so. All right, take care. Nice folks, nice folks. All right, so we also have right through the main entrance, this office area right here. It's got French doors on it. So perfect if you work out or if you work from home or anything else you may need it for. Expansive great room. You have your little entertainment area over here. I love that. Personally, I like the decor in here. I think it's really cool, really neat. I like the fixtures, I like the beams. Here's your dining area right here. If I say trust me, this really works well. Our house is designed like this with one big great room, and our dining room table is freestanding in the middle of it, and just creates a great environment. Kitchen, big center island, beautiful cabinets, cooktop. Personally, I like the use of the different types of stone and tile back here with the different colors with the white shaker cabinets. It looks really good. And we have your pantry with a little side area over here. And actually, let's take a quick peek into the backyard. So this one's got a pool, got outdoor kitchen. Of course, it's a model home, it's gonna. But it goes to show you, like, I mean, this it's a decent sized backyard. You can do so much with backyards nowadays, even if they're not gargantua. But this is a plenty big backyard, nice sized pool, great sitting area, big covered patio. All right, let's go inside again, and now we shall go upstairs. All right, I'm gonna take a minute to appreciate this loft. I think it's really cool. It's nice and big, really open, airy, tons of light, and it's just got a cool vibe. Of course, we have glass walls here. Would be an upgrade, so you probably wouldn't, most homes aren't gonna have that. But you could have like the metal railings and whatnot. So All right, let's check out some of these bedrooms. All right, we're gonna pop in here. We have an ensuite. That's pretty cool. Check out that tile work back there. Kind of neat, a little fish scale look. Nice sized bedroom. Cute little nook over there, like a little sitting area. My daughters would love that. Sit there, read a book, hang out, you know. Or if you didn't have that, you could probably build in a desk area over there too. So. Coming back out, here's our laundry room. So pretty standard laundry room, but it's good to look at those. Got to know what's there. And here's just kind of that view down. It's pretty cool. One nice thing about model homes is there's usually music playing, so we get a little background music. All right, we have a traditional secondary bedroom, no ensuite. Just a pocket closet there. Plenty big room, plenty big. Here's the bathroom. This is gonna be the shared bathroom for that and anyone hang out in the loft. So 2 sinks, it's nice, it's plenty big. Got your shower tub combo back there. It's nice when a model home, they don't have the doors on. It just makes it easy to get in and out of the rooms. We have another secondary bedroom right here. Pretty standard. And through this house, like what's cool about Las Vegas, if you're watching from somewhere else, is like we're surrounded by mountains. So kind of all around you have mountain views, you know, wherever it is you're looking. All right, and here we're gonna hop into the primary suite, which is also really nice and big. So this one's got a cool little feature I'm gonna show you in a sec. There's our windows. You can see there's construction still underway. We have 2 closets in here, so 2 primary closets. So if you got a lot of stuff or you just like to keep it separate, here's closet number 1. And over here we have closet number 2. All right, and last but not least, here is the bathroom. So this one doesn't have a tub in it. We just have the sink area, and then our gargantua walk-in shower. So let me get back and see if you guys can't get that whole shower. And then you just have the toilet over there. So kind of pan back around, give you the view of this bathroom again. So yeah, that's it. That's this house. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Again, if you have any questions about buying or selling real estate, that's what we do. Give me a call. That's my number. Or if you just enjoy watching our tours, we're happy to, well, of course, we're going to keep doing them. Please like, subscribe. Let us know what you like. Leave us a comment. Hope you all have a blessed day. That's about it. And we'll catch you next time.